Hi! I'm going to do a quick video today to show you how to curl your hair with curlers, because I use them quite a lot for styling and I get lots of people ask me, how do you do it, how do you use them? So I'm going to do a quick video to show you. So I've just washed my hair and I'm going to comb it through with a wide tooth comb. The Denman ones are really good, but make sure you use a wide tooth comb when you are combing your hair through to stop it breaking off. And then you need to dry your hair 100% dry. So make sure that it is 100% dry, otherwise the curl won't take. But hairdryer recommendations, the Parlux hairdryer is immense. It's so good. It's tips of the trade. Most hairdressers use them. There are some really good, powerful, expensive hairdryers on the market as well, which are fantastic as well. But in terms of price point, if you want to pay around about £80 to £100 for a hairdryer that will last you for years, the Parlux one is brilliant. The rollers that I'm going to be using today are Babyliss rollers. They look like this. They are fab. Make sure you turn your rollers on before you start blow drying your hair, because you want to make sure that they're super hot. And then the roller itself has this really soft, kind of like velvety lining to them as well. So these are a great roller. The Babyliss rollers are brilliant. The easiest thing to do is start at the front of your hair, taking a section here. So I have like a bit of a sweeping side fringe. So I'm going to use quite a big roller for my fringe because I don't want it too small. So with your roller, hold your hair, hold it quite tight. You're going to tuck the ends in. Make sure you tuck those little bits here in, so when you roller it down, just make sure you tuck the ends in. And then your rollers should come with clips. So these ones here come with these little clips here. So then you clamp your fringe in like that. Make sure that the sections that you're taking here are about the same width as your roller, because that will get you the really good curl. And I'm going to take my sections all the way down the back first of all, because it's probably the hardest part to do. Once you've done the panel down here, we're then going to start on the sides. Usually when you buy rollers, they usually have different sizes. So mine have like a big, medium and a small one. And I like to have a bit of a varied curl, so I tend to do a big one, then a medium one, and then a big one, then a medium one, kind of alternate them. And then the smaller ones you can either use for maybe around the sides, or keep away from the hairline, unless you kind of want that real tight curl with the small ones, because they tend to be quite small. And then down the sides here, you can kind of layer them, kind of brickwork layering. So pop the big one here, and then the next one we're going to use is going to be a smaller roller. And once you've taken your rollers out, you can just use your fingers as a rake and just run your fingers gently through the curl, like this.